RJ with Xprite. Today we're going to be showing you how to install our 4-foot RGB dancing spiral whip. Alright guys, so to install your whip base, you're going to want to go ahead and put it through, in this case, an existing mounting point. Obviously you can make your own. Once you got that screwed all the way down, you're going to go ahead and go through back on the underside and install your nut and bolts. Alright, once you got the base hooked up, you're just going to simply wire it to your positive negative and click this in. You're ready to go. Alright guys, so this is your control box. This is a 3-pin connector which is going to hook up to your base. So once everything's hooked up, screwed in tightly, you're just going to hook it up to your positive negative.